In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code calendar in TickTick. By the end, you'll have a clean visual system where each list has its own color and your calendar reflects those colors, making it much easier to scan your schedule at a glance. First, open TickTick and head to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on Lists. Lists are the containers that hold your tasks, and the color you assign to a list is what the calendar uses to display those tasks consistently. Find the list you want to customize, hover over it, and click the three dots, which opens the list's options menu. From there, choose Edit. This is where you can adjust the settings for that list, including its color. In the Edit panel, locate the list color option. Click it to open the color picker. Select the color that best fits how you think about that category of work. A helpful tip is to use a consistent scheme across your lists, perhaps cool colors for personal items and brighter colors for high priority work, so your calendar stays intuitive at a glance. If you work in darker themes or frequently check your calendar on mobile, consider higher contrast colors that will still pop. After choosing your color, click Save. This confirms the change and applies it to that list. Any tasks in this list, existing and new, will now carry that color in supported views. Next, on the left side, click Calendar. This view pulls together your tasks across lists and displays them in time. Keep in mind that the calendar feature is part of TickTick's paid plan. If you don't see it, you may need to upgrade to access it. Within the calendar, you can switch between several perspectives depending on your planning needs. Use the year view to get a broad overview and spot busy seasons or long-term timelines. Switch to the month view to plan in blocks and balance workload week by week. The week view is ideal for scheduling focused sessions and seeing deadlines alongside daily commitments. And the day view helps you zoom in when you need a precise hour-by-hour plan. In every view, tasks inherit the list colors you chose earlier, so your calendar remains readable and consistent. That's it. Set the color for each list, save your changes, open the calendar, and then choose the view that best fits what you're planning today. With a few thoughtful color choices, your TickTick calendar becomes a clear visual dashboard for everything you need to do.